This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious homemade peanut butter. First, ensure you have about 2 cups of roasted peanuts. Roasting them yourself or buying them pre-roasted will give you the richest flavor. Next, you'll want to add a small pinch of salt, perhaps 1/4 of a teaspoon, to really bring out the nutty notes. If you prefer a sweeter spread, a tablespoon of honey or maple syrup works wonderfully. Now, let's get to the grinding. Place your roasted peanuts into a sturdy food processor or a high-speed blender. Begin by pulsing the machine in short bursts. This initial step helps to break down the whole peanuts into smaller, more manageable pieces. Keep processing, scraping down the sides as needed, until the mixture transforms from a crumbly texture into a smooth, creamy peanut butter. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Achieving the perfect consistency is key. If your peanut butter seems too thick, you can add a small amount of neutral oil, like 1 teaspoon of peanut or vegetable oil, and blend again until it reaches your desired smoothness. This also allows you to customize the flavor. Try adding a dash of cinnamon or a few drops of vanilla extract for a unique twist. Always taste and adjust the salt or sweetener to your preference. Once your homemade peanut butter is perfect, transfer it to an airtight container. It will stay fresh and delicious in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, ready for all your snacking needs. Enjoy it on toast, with fruit, or straight from the spoon. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Making your own peanut butter is a rewarding and tasty experience you'll love.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.